You want any?
No. Say, hey.
It's not sealed.
You need light on?
No.
Well, I thought it'd be rotten.
Yeah. Do you want some stew?
Huh?
Do you want some stew? No. Potato?
No.
Tell her about learning to fly a B-25.
That's too much. Well, I was training for the B-25. You know, it would go up and down 400, but
How high would it fly? Would it go to 30,000 feet?
no, I remember a little more than that. Well, I remember that, on high as it go, and the work pressure began to drift. I don't know how the oil. But yeah, they weren't that high. They're pretty powerful.
Well, I know you had to have your oxygen on then because they weren't pressurized.
Cold,
Yeah, I know that.
yeah,
Cold.
cold and noisy.
And vibrate.
Oh my God, that banging. That was you had 9, 8 cylinder, one,
Oh, it was 12 cylinders, wasn't it?
it was on cylinder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
I
a
forget.
rotary.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
So you like that? Is that a good plane?
It was back in.
Could you feather the props on that one?
What?
Could you feather the props on a
Yeah,
B-25?
yeah.
You could?
Yeah.
That was his specialty, was feathering props.
In fact, I put one in a landing field. It was actually a cornfield. I had to put one in there one day. And
Cut up some corn, huh?
yeah. Yeah.
Did you piss off a farmer?
Right. Good. Seen them all.
Eat him off.
And then I got the sheriff.
Haven't got the sheriff?
Fever. Don't tell. I get the sheriff.
Yeah.
Show him.
Oh. So did you get in trouble?
Huh?
Did you get in trouble?
We choke our way out of it.
You were good at that.
It'd be hard to get a pilot in trouble back then.
Yeah.
Yeah.